Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 12 electricity and part 2 electricity is classified into two parts according to charge. First is static electricity. In this the charge do not move from one end to another end. Second is current electricity. This is the movement of charge from one end to another end. The first topic is static electricity. The static electricity is in this the charge do not move from one end to another end. Suppose this is the positive charge which is stable and do not move from one end to another end is called static electricity. In this, the charge is located in a position and do not move from one end to another end. Next topic is current electricity. In this, the charge move from one end to another end. So this is the movement of charge from one end to another end. Suppose this is a metal wire. In metal, electrons are present. Yes. So the movement of electron, I mean charge, negative charge movement is called current electricity. This is the movement of current, so it is called current electricity. Next topic is current. It is flow of charge per unit time. So current is equal to charge upon time. The current is represented by capital I. So I is equal to Q upon T is the formula of current. Next, SI unit of current is ampere. The ampere is represented by capital A. One milliampere is equal to 10 की power minus 3 ampere and 1 microampere is equal to 10 की power minus 6 ampere. Next topic is current. It is flow of charge per unit time. It is flow of charge. It is flow of charge per unit time. Unit time. So current is equal to first charge upon time. We know that charge is equal to Q and next upon T, which is represented by capital I. The current is represented by capital I, so I is equal to Q upon T. Q is equal to charge and T is time. Next, SI unit of current is ampere. SI unit of current is ampere. Ampere, which is represented by capital A. Next, current is measured by ammeter. Next topic is ammeter. It is low resistance. Second point, it always connected in series. The positive part of ammeter is connected to positive end of battery and the negative end of ammeter is connected to negative end of battery. The topic is ammeter. The ammeter is represented in the circuit as the first wire of ammeter is the positive wire and the other wire is negative wire of ammeter. The second point is it always connected in series. Suppose the series is S and a bulb is put in this series S. So the side for ammeter is which is called the series is. So the ammeter is connected is in series. Suppose a circuit is represented as it is represented as the battery is and this is a switch of the battery switch. The wire of the positive is represented as and a bulb is in this circuit as. It is called a bulb. In this, the blank side is a side for ammeter. Is a side for ammeter. So this is represented the whole circuit as this is the side of ammeter. The wire is positive, so the positive end of ammeter is connected to battery as the positive and negative part of ammeter called ammeter of this battery. It is called the bulb of circuit, which is a switch of circuit.